Being a chef is able to guide people and to help them, but I'm more of a teacher because I try to inspire and educate. I'm a recipe developer and my name is Choux. The feeling I get when I'm in the kitchen is mostly excitement. I always ask my suppliers, when you have something new, please just send me something, because I want to be inspired. I think walking here in one of my favorite forests in the Netherlands, it's for me a special moment, and when we get there we have some peace and quiet. When I'm in nature, the first thing that gets me is smell. And that really inspired me straight away. I love cooking with local ingredients. Sustainability should be something that's so normal that everyone should just do it. Well, for me, having good ingredients is a must. It's 100% the base. You can't make something delicious with a bad product or a bad ingredient, so that's super important, and that's why I love having a good relationship with my suppliers and with farmers and fishers and butchers. There is no excuse not to have a connection with food. I lived super close to the cooking store and I went there at least once a week. It's a chef's heaven. It can be such an inspiration to see new stuff, not only about ingredients, but also about the equipment you need for cooking. For me, a kitchen is the heart of the house, so it's the most vital organ. It's super important. When we have a birthday, everyone is always in the kitchen. No one is at the table, no one is at the couch. Is always in the kitchen. And that's why I think the BORA appliances allow you to create a better home for your guests and also for your family. One of my favorite restaurants in Amsterdam, it's a place that I've been visiting for many years already. The chef, Merijn, he is an amazing guy. He's such a kind person. He shares knowledge, he is inspiring. We talk every now and then and share stuff and share ideas and recipes and techniques.
Ik heb een paar in een pot daar zitten.
People like him really elevate the whole hospitality industry. I love being creative, just playing with those flavors to create whatever comes to your mind. Pushing myself to never be satisfied with the knowledge that I have, but just keep on learning and keep on elevating your own experience.